Hey guys, I am about to make some spiked jello. What you'll be needing is I have the Jello shots right here. I got this from my local grocery store. Again, it says Jello shot margarita. I'm going to be using some Pam so I can be able to put inside of the non-stick container that I'm going to put the jello in. You got to be careful not doing that because sometimes when you don't, the jello gets stuck. I'll be using clear clear tequila. Okay, and I'll also be using some water. Read the back of the directions. It says go ahead and put 1.5 cup boiling water into package. I'm about to go ahead and get this water boiled. I have it right here. Here's the water. And I'm going to go ahead and pour it right in there. Go ahead and put that on the eye. And once that's done, I'll come back. Okay, so while I am waiting on my water to get boiled, this is the container I'm going to put it in. You guys can put it in like little Jello shot cups, Jello shot cups. That'll be great. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put it where I usually put the Jello, and that's why I'm just calling this spiked Jello. I'm gonna just spray a little bit of Pam all in here, and what you can do is use a paper towel just to make sure, or your hands, because my hands clean, and make sure you have it all over. Because I'm telling you, if you don't, once it's time to come out, it's very hard to come out. Okay. And if you don't have Pam, you could just use a little bit of grease and just kind of wipe it around the actual non-stick container, okay? Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the Jello inside of this bowl. Okay. And just read the back of the directions. It say add the water until it's completely dissolved. Okay, now we're going to pour in the 1/2 cup of hot water, boiling hot water. Be careful, don't burn yourself. Let's go ahead and get that stirred up. Take you a spoon and just give it a good stir. And just do this until it completely dissolves. Okay, now it says go ahead and add a 1/2 cup of clear tequila. You know me, I might add just a little bit more than 1/2 cup. Okay, let's go ahead and add 1/2 cup of tequila. If you add just a little extra, it's all right. I'm checking to see if it's 1/2 cup, just a little bit extra. We put just a little bit extra in there because y'all know tequila ain't no cup. Okay. We added just a little bit extra. And don't do as I say. Do as the packaging say, because you don't want to add too much in there. It'd be acting crazy and don't jello good. Okay, so now we did that, and now it say go ahead and if you're doing a non-alcoholic, you don't have to put that inside there. And now it's saying go ahead and place inside your plastic cups, or like I told you guys, I'm putting it inside of here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right inside of here, okay? And then it say refrigerate for 2 hours. Once it's done, I'll come back. And I did give this a good stir as well. So make sure you stir that tequila in the actual jello. And now pour this in here very gently. Be very gentle with it. Do not get burned. And remember what I told you guys, make sure you put some kind of canola or Pam inside of even your Jello cups. Because I'm telling you, sometimes when you do those Jello shots, it gets stuck to the actual container. That is not what we want. So we got it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator for 2 hours, and I'll be back. And again, I'll be back with our spiked margarita. Yee! And again, I'll be back with our spiced margarita jello. Two hours later. Okay, guys, it has been 2 hours. It is nice in his gel. Let's get it out and see how it tastes. Take a little bit of it. See how it's all nice and gel. Let's try it. This is so freaking good. OMG. You can taste the alcohol, but you can taste the margarita. You can taste the Jello. You can taste everything. I love it. I most definitely will make this again. Try this. Hold on, I'm gonna make sure you see it. See, nice and jiggly. Try some. This most definitely will be a staple in the house. I will also make it with some rum. Very, very good. Try it, guys. And if you do try it, let me know how you like it. They have pina colada and some other flavors. So good. Y'all can't believe I didn't make this sooner. And look how it came out nice and good. Okay, guys, bye.